In this video, I'm going to be going over the Medium 1 IoT development kit featuring the Digi XBee3. Go ahead and take a look. So the first thing we have here is Medium 1's 6-month subscription. This comes included with a Medium 1 development kit. Here we have the Digi XBee3 module along with the development board. Here we have the InvenSense 6-axis MEMS MotionTracking evaluation board. Comes with 3-axis gyroscope and a 3-axis accelerometer, along with a DMP. Here we have the Murata thermistor evaluation board. We also have the custom cable harness, custom made for the Medium 1 development kit. Here are the 2 antennas for the Digi XBee3. We have the Bluetooth antenna up here, as well as the LTE antenna right here. Included is a USB cable for modifying the preloaded MicroPython code, although it is not required to evaluate the Medium 1 platform. Lastly, we have the power adapter to power up the XBee3. With Medium 1's IoT development kit, you can use the Digi XBee3 to interpret the sensor data and send it up to Medium 1's cloud-based platform through LTE-M. Using Python, you can create scripts on Medium 1's platform to work with your sensor data. Thanks for watching. For more videos on wireless and IoT, be sure to subscribe to Symmetry Electronics.